Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Lenovo Legion laptop. To do this, we'll need to click on a start right here. Then go to the settings. Now inside find the system and here scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the let me find it, recovery. Then we want to open our PC with advanced startup, restart now. So sadly we have this many in Polish language, but you can follow the buttons that I'm clicking, and also I will try just to translate it for you. So first thing, click on fix problems, and then we have reset your settings to default state and click on that. Now you can either choose to keep all your files or delete everything. And first one will keep your files kept in documents and etc, and the other one will just make your PC clean. So let's go with this one, and here you can either download new Windows from cloud or make it local, so I want to choose the local one. And here you can choose to keep your configuration for the working place, and actually, yeah, let's do that. Here you can either delete all of the files from your drive or keep some of them, and I want to clear it fully with a second click. And here we just need to confirm that we want to reset our PC with all of the things that we've chose to do, and let's do that. Now only thing left to do is to wait till the reset reaches 100%. Make sure to connect your PC with a charger, and because when your laptop will discharge, then it might break your entire laptop. So be sure to connect the power, and here let's just wait. So right now, when the setup is ready, when the restart is ready, we can begin the setup. And first thing is to pick a language, and we'll see if it changes, because I think this laptop is locked for some reason in Polish, but let's try it. So anyway, as you can see, it's locked in Polish, so there's no point of the setup because you won't understand a thing probably. And but the setup is pretty straightforward. You just need to connect to the internet, pick your region, and then you'll have your Windows almost set up. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.